Hi guys, good evening. It's a bit late to make a dinner for my kids because I'm a bit tired today. It's the new, the first day of the week, and I have lots of things to do in the house and lessons for the kids. So guys, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna make later for dinner. Um, this is my version actually of chicken snitchel. So guys, usually murag ka ng board na ganita mo sige tag fried chicken, di ba? So kani siya guys, na siya a little kanang kick sa style sa pag-fry of manok. It's because na siya kanang lain na ingredients, but that guys you need to buy so that naa siya kanang siya nga lasa nga ma-taste niyo sa manok. So akong i-use guys is chicken fillet. Sorry. Basa siya. So guys, ato na siyang dukdukon. Dili lang sa siya magisi. So we need actually a kind of plastic nga kana gay ziplock, but I don't have na, so we're gonna just make something. So we're gonna use this plastic bag. So we try this. Ato siya puston. So nato sa tunga. And then guys, ato siya idukduk og rolling pin. If you don't have any rolling pin, ngita na lang mo anything nga madukduk ninyo. So ato lang ni siya bali flatten. Aron di malapad iyang karne. Flatten nato. So ang panindot po dani guys. Actually humok na ang kaning part sa manok, but it could make the meat more tender. So we check guys if okay na ba siya. So guys, mura na siya na flat na siya, no, but ako pa siya i-flat so mura. Okay, I think this looks okay na. Yeah, guys, after this, ato siya i-season na to. What I use for seasoning is salt and pepper lang. This is really enough now. So I'm gonna season this salt and pepper. See? Mura siya nilapad. Dako. So, gonna get my salt. Ano na to? Sorry. Wala na andam. Dali ni nga luto guys kay ang belag gutom mo siya ni tarog kaon ganiha. So gisisonan na ko siya salt and pepper. Basta pepper guys mo at jud ko mo kahibong. So leaves na nato mga pila lang ka 1 minute while mag-prepare po ta guys sa iyang kuan kanang atong bali kuan na ni bay tawag ipupos. So guys, I need the Italian seasoning. This is the seasoning that will really add flavor to our chicken. So guys, we also need egg. Bit na to ang egg guys. Then I will show you yung saan ako hawin. Guys, mauna din niya akong bitin egg. And then I have here the breadcrumbs and I'm gonna mix my Italian seasoning. Mao ni maka-add sa iyang kuan flavor. If you're gonna try this guys, di mo magmahay. You can buy this in the kuan. Di mo kayo kukita ni sa Supermetro, no, but sa kuan sa Shopwise guys. Ako na siya kamuton ha. Anyway, nang hugas mo kamot. So maka-add yun na siya og lasa sa atong manok. Oh my god, I Enjoy, can you put on the fire, please? I thought I already... Okay, thank you. So, ako siyang daghan-daghan nun. Gamay. Now, this is one of my kids' favorite. Pwede na nimo guys. Magbuhat mo ka ng mashed potato. Buhat mo gravy, pwede. But I didn't have potato this time. So, I'm not gonna make na lang. So, I'm gonna use na lang rice for this. But then, next time guys, mag-make kong mashed potato with this so that you know how I make my mashed potato. Ana na siya guys. Dayon, inyo siya kuan, inyo siya i-cover. And also guys, you can use chicken, you can use pork with this. Next time I'm gonna make pork. And I will also show you the video of how I make my mashed potato. So this is it guys, and then we're just gonna fry it. Okay? Guys, medyo init na iting ta oil. Okay, init na siya. Ato na i-fry ang atong manok. Actually guys, this recipe, ako na ni siya naluto before. Katong naapa si Lars diri, but there are times man good na nang malutan gay nimo. So, mauna nakainumdum ko nga why not make this time. Yeah. So, supposedly I'm gonna make my own style or my own version of chicken curry, but I find it kanang daghan akong hiwaon and I'm very lazy tonight. So that's why I decided to make it a little bit easy na lang. So mauna ni guys, then later ani ma brown ani. Wato na ninyo nga ma brown, and then mauna na siya, luto na na siya guys. But if you try it, if you're gonna taste it, it's really like different from, you know, normal fried chicken. Okay guys, I'll show you later. See you. So guys, I think luto na siya, golden brown na siya. So wala na ako i-timer guys ug pila ka minutes siya na luto, but kamo kung magluto mo, kamo ganahan mo paig or saktura. As long as luto ang meat, that's fine. So, luto na siya guys. And then guys, I will make also a gravy for this. So here, I am boiling beef cubes in a cup of water. And then once it is boiled, I'm gonna mix it with some seasoning, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. How you say it? Worcestershire sauce. I'll show you na lang. I can't read it properly. A little bit of sugar, and because I like pepper, so lots of pepper, and a little bit. We will thicken it using cornstarch. And last, if you have butter, then you can add butter after. Kanang padung na siya haon. Okay, I'll show you. Wait guys. It's boiling now, and I'm gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Ang lisod kong basa. Basta mauna ni siya. Maka-add ni siya flavor po dani guys. So, ay let's kidaghan na. Sakto-sakto ra. Kaya gamay ra itong sauce. For gravy. You know guys, this gravy, I learned it from Lars. Because he loves gravy. And mauna na siya guys, may color na siya, no? And after that, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, brown sugar. Yeah. Kamo na siya mag-igo guys, o unsa kadaghan na sugar inyong i-add. Then I'm gonna add pepper. Because I love pepper. Really, really love pepper. Ganun ako. Naato lang na siya pabukalon, guys. I don't know how it tastes now. Let me try. Okay. So peppery. Kulang ako gamay na. After that, guys, akong ibutang ang akong cornstarch. So, aron pag-tikin niya. Kasi nitikin. Ako na pag-hurot. So, ako na lang siya ihurot. Okay. Kamu na mo balance sa timpla, guys. Okay, nitikin na siya, diba? So, and then, guys, lastly, we're gonna add the butter. Okay. Kaning butter, guys, ang kapag low free siya sa atong sauce. Ano yung purpose niya? Ang sauce niya marag glossy. So, until man-melt na siya, guys, that is actually done. The gravy is done. You can use this gravy, guys, if you have mashed potato. Pwede ninyo maikuan. So, this is it. I'll show you later. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Ito na siya i-slice. Mas in crispy na siya, guys. So, guys, nauna na eh. So, still very juicy. Can you see that? And init pa na siya. Okay, guys, mauna na yung finished product sa atong sudan karon. Then, you can try it, guys. It's very, very affordable. And it's very lami. For a change, let's have a different style of frying our chicken. Okay, guys. Thank you. See you for my next cooking show. No joke. See you for my next sudan para panihapon. Okay, bye-bye. Bo, let you try it, Bo. Let me see if it's good. Tell me if it's good. Still hot? It's very hot. Is it good? Yay! Thank you. Bye!